What's going on YouTube? I just want to show you my 2022 Firework stash. It's small, but it's a fucking banger. Alright, let's just get off. It's going to be a quick video. First one is the game we play. If you know, you know. Fucking monster. Fucking monster cake. I got 2 Iron Giants. One's right there, one's right here. 25 shot, 200 gram overload cake. It's 200 grams, but you never know, that bitch is probably a lot more. I got 8 of these Milkmans. They're pretty loud, they're alright. I've had Jurassics, fucking super crazy. Symphony of Color, 19 shots. I like this one. Has a nice, I want to say strobe effect with some salutes. I got a full case of the Cock Awakens, heavy hitters. Box is kind of fucked up, 24. I got these 6-piece 1.3 salutes, fucking bangers. I got these cones, crazy cones. These bitches are heavy. Shoot like 15 feet in the air, crackle. If you know, you know. Crazy ass fountains. I never pick up fountains, but I can pass on those. I got this one, 267 shots. Shit's called Nuclear BDH. Fucking beast. I'm telling you, straight bangers. I'm gonna tell you what I pay for everything. You guys are gonna blow your mind. Blow your mind. Last but not least, I've been waiting for so long to get this thing. Found one person that has it. Motherfucking Godzilla. Oh. Yeah.